Hello everyone, this is Padma, your social science teacher from Pramati Hillview Academy, Mysore. Welcome back to your geography class. In the earlier classes, you had learned about road transport or land transport, about water transport, and about air transport. So, today in this class, let us learn more about communication. Ever since humans appeared on the earth, they have used different means of communication, but the pace of change has been rapid in modern times. Long distance communication is far easier without physical movement of the communicator or receiver. Personal communication and mass communication, including television, radio, press, films, etc., are the major means of communication in the world. The Indian postal network is the largest in the world. It handles parcels as well as personal return communications. Cards and envelopes are considered first class mail and are airlifted between stations covering both land and air. The second class mail includes book packets, registered newspapers, and periodicals. They are carried by surface mail covering land and water transport. To facilitate quick delivery of mails in the large towns and cities, six mail channels have been introduced recently. They are called Rajdhani Channel, Metro Channel, Green Channel, Business Channel, Bulk Mail Channel, and Periodical Channel. India has one of the largest telecom networks in Asia. Excluding urban places, more than two-thirds of the villages in India trunk have been covered with subscribers trunk dialing, that is STD telephone facility. In order to strengthen the flow of information from the grassroots to the higher level, the government has made special provision to extend 24 hours STD facility to every village in the country. There is a uniform rate of STD facilities all over India. It has been made possible by integrating the development in space technology with communication technology. Mass communication provides entertainment and creates awareness among people about various national programs and policies. It includes radio, television, newspapers, magazines, books, and films. All India Radio, that is Akashavani, broadcast a variety of programs in national, regional, and local languages for various categories of people spread over different parts of the country. Doordarshan, the national television channel of India, is one of the largest networks in the world. It broadcasts a variety of programs from entertainment, educational to sports, etc., for people of different age groups. India publishes a large number of newspapers and periodicals annually. There are different types of depending upon their periodicity. Newspapers are published in about 100 languages and dialects. Children, did you know that the largest number of newspapers published in the country are in Hindi, followed by English and Urdu? India is the largest producer of feature films in the world. It produces short films, video feature films, and video short films. The Central Board of Film Certification is the authority to certify both Indian and foreign films. International trade. The exchange of goods among people, states, and countries is referred to as trade. The market and the place where such exchanges takes place is called trade, and trade between two countries is called international trade. It may take place through sea, air, or land routes. While local trade is carried in cities, towns, and villages, state level trade is carried between two or more states. Advancement of international trade of a country is an index to its economic prosperity. It is therefore considered the economic barometer of a country. As the resources are space bound, no country can survive without international trade. Export and import are the components of trade. The balance of trade of a country is the difference between its export and import. When the value of export exceeds the value of imports, it is called a favorable balance of trade. It is called a favorable balance of trade. On the contrary, if the value of imports exceeds the value of exports, it is termed as unfavorable balance of trade. India has trade relations with all the major trading blocs and all geographical regions of the world. International trade has undergone a sea change in the last few decades. Exchange of commodities and goods have been superseded by the exchange of information and knowledge. India has emerged as a software giant at the international level and is earning large foreign exchange through the trade of information technology also. Tourism as trade. Tourism in India has grown subsequently over the last few decades. Foreign tourist arrivals in the country witnessed an increase every year, where foreign exchange also has increased due to the tourism. Many tourists visited India, and more than 15 million people are directly engaged in tourism industry. Tourism also promotes national integration and provides support to local handicrafts and cultural pursuits. It also helps in the development of international understanding about our culture and heritage. Foreign tourists visit India for heritage tourism, ecotourism, adventure tourism, cultural tourism, medical tourism, and business tourism. There is a vast potential for development of tourism in all parts of the country. Efforts are being made to promote different types of tourism for this upcoming industry. So, students, in this class, you learnt about communication, international trade, and tourism as trade. Thank you.